Hey folks, this is Armin with 2 Alpha Crew. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Taylor Freelance +4 base plate for my Canik rival. It will fit any Canik that takes the same magazine. I believe the Meta and the TP9 take the same mag. I'm pretty sure, don't quote me on that. I have a Canik rival and a Canik rival S, so those both take the same mags. That'll work for both. Supposedly, this base plate will fix the Canik's over-insertion problem. Not sure why Canik didn't fix it themselves, but thank you, Taylor Freelance, for taking that step and doing it yourselves. Here we go. So, here we have 2 different Taylor Freelance base plates. This is the brass one for the Canik, and this is aluminum, the one that fixes the over-insertion problem. So basically, this one is not as heavy. This one adds quite a bit of weight, actually, which I do like the weight. The brass on here, when you're shooting, makes a big difference. But over-insertion is a big problem with that. So here I will demonstrate exactly how that works. All right. So Taylor Freelance brass base plate. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Here is my Canik rival. Yes, I know, it's freaking awesome. Check out that paint work on there. Yeah, I did that myself. Can you believe it? Yeah, I know. So, empty mag, empty gun. Clear it. Okay, we're good. Okay, locked open. So, in the event that you have to reload from a slide lock, and you bring the mag in, you slam it home, and I've had people say, well, why don't you just put it home and then let go and then hit the slide release? Duh. Well, I don't know, because I like to do things fast, and when you're shooting competition, doing that would just be extremely slow and stupid. Might as well slingshot it from there, But anyway, so if you are, here, I'll get over here so you can see a little better. If you're holding this in and then you hit this slide release, oh, look at that. Nothing drops. And then if I let go, and just pull down a little, here. Nope, there it goes. The reason is because the mag was too far up that the slide is actually getting caught on the edge of your magazine here. Whatever that part's called. I don't know. So, let's test out the one that fixes it. The Taylor Freelance aluminum. And it says so in the description when you are on their website. It'll actually tell you that it fixes the over-insertion problem. So, oh, look at that. Still locks open. Okay, cool. So, mag goes in. Bam! Now I'm going to hold it again just like I did the other one and drop it. Oh, if I can. There we go. Look at that. Drop free. That's a good sign. Hey. That's actually really awesome. So, the home test works. So, now we're going to take it out to the range and we're going to do some whatever, like 1R1s from slide lock to see if it actually works, because this one I know for a fact does not, and it was driving me nuts. Now, I do shoot carry optics in USPSA. That's what this gun is built for. Generally, I'm not reloading from slide lock because, well, if you are reloading from slide lock, you probably made a mistake. And generally, I'll reload when I still have 3 or 4 rounds left, or 2 rounds, or whatever. I time it out that way, when you're planning your stage. But it does happen. Needing to reload from slide lock for whatever reason is something that does happen in USPSA. And being able to do it quick and getting back on target, is a very important thing to be able to do. So let's take it out to the range and test this out and see.
Stand by. Look at that time! That's what I'm saying. Look at that pair. Look at that pair. Look at that pair.
Look at
that pair,
I think you run
that
better on
pair.
a quick surprise buzz, dude.
that pair. Look at
Because I
that.
called standby a little
And
bit on
I had one Charlie there, but that's an Alpha Charlie. Nice pair, and then an Alpha Delta.
that. Yep.
It's all right though.
Still good shit. Oop.
Woo! Nice! 688.
I broke 7!
Well, as you can see, the base pads actually did their job. And yeah, there was no failures on the range at all. My reloads from Slide Lock were perfect every time. I made sure to try some reloads with the brass Taylor Freelance +4 base pads, and same problem. Anytime I would go to do a reload, it would get stuck, and just can't have that. That's an issue. I know people have said you can take a like a gasket and put it on top, over the magazine and slide it down, just to give it a little less room. I don't know what size of a gasket, but you can figure that out yourselves. But yeah, so Taylor Freelance did a good job on these base plates, the +4 extensions, and I recommend them highly if you are shooting a Canik Rival or a Canik Rival S or any of the other pistols that have had over insertion problems. So this is Armin with 2 Alpha Crew. Please subscribe, like the video, do all that shit. It really helps me to be able to make more videos. And coming up soon, I'm going to be doing a lot of CZ Shadow 2 reviews because I just bought one today. So stay tuned for that. Awesome.